multiple misfire detection. Cylinder 12 misfire, cylinder 10 misfire, 16 misfire, 10 misfire, 11 misfire. How many misfires? There's loads of reasons why it could be misfiring, like loads. Like, could need a service, could have bad spark plugs, could have bad coils, could be a problem with the ECU.
What do you think it is, Kev?
Can you help in any way, shape or form?
At the minute, no. Because even though we're getting somewhere with the misfire, we still have no idea why it won't go into gear.